This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Hunter Shinnebarger. First month free. Updated ground floor condo with wood-looking tile floors. 2 halves with dining room, breakfast nook and laundry room, full-size washer and dryer. Window blinds and drapery. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, full-size washer/dryer, updated vanities, walk-in shower and ceiling fans. Screened-in patio. Accordion shutters. Community heated pool and tennis courts. Small pet allowed with approval. Close to 95 and Turnpike. Ready to move in. Welcome to your coastal dream home. For more information, review the details below.